How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Thrustmaster Airbus Throttle. So in order to fix this, we want to go ahead and calibrate our controller. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your controller is turned off, and then you want to unplug your actual USB cable right here. From there, you then want to press the start button, and then you could just go ahead and turn it on. And then from there, after making sure that it's both turned on and you're holding press the start button, you then want to plug the USB cables here right here. And actually, before you do that, make sure that your controller is on the open section right here. Now, after making sure that you're holding it, the button is turned on, plug the USB-C right here, and then the device will power on. Now, from there, you then want to let go of the actual controller. And then from there, you then want to make sure to put the throttle right here onto the max. And then right after, you then want to press the red buttons on each side of the actual throttle. Now from there, you then want to go down one level. So it's going to be right here. And then do the same thing, press the red button, go down one level, press the same thing, go one more level down, press the same thing. And from there, you then want to navigate back to the open slot right here. And then lastly, just press on the two buttons, start and crane. And right after, you should be good to go. You have successfully calibrated your Thrustmaster. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.